Guys, today we are reviewing the poop with fart sound button pile driver. It's called the pile driver, and it's a driving piece of poop. And then we're eating some M&M cookies, technically reviewing them.
And Don thinks it's a big one, and we get a tiny one.
Yep. I get the huge one because I had to cook them. That piece of poop. Wait. Okay. What a poopy gift. What a crappy gift.
Yeah, what's a poopy gift?
Now, this is from Christmas. I haven't opened it. I got a lot of stuff from Christmas.
I know.
And I've been slacking too much. Is the problem. Okay, pull this out, of course. So now it will work. Antenna. That's cool. Now let's take this out.
That piece of poop.
What a piece of crap. Come on. It doesn't actually want to come out. Safety is #1 hate when it comes to making it so you can't open your own toy.
Yeah.
What a crappy thing.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Still can't get this last one. Oh. Got half of it. Okay. What a piece of crap this is.
And it even has the
What a
wheels.
crappy thing.
It has the wheels on the bottom.
I think I might have said it's a crappy thing like 10 times. Now, let's see this. Now we gotta open this.
Because we need these 2 little batteries going in.
Pause the video. This screwdriver's broken. Okay, so now we gotta get this piece of done with. We gotta this piece of done with.
Bruh.
You know, drive it around. Let's see how this works. If it's literally dead. No, this. Yes, it is.
It's on.
It is on. Work! You're kidding me! Let me see here. You have to race with these things too, and it doesn't even work. What's up with this one? These batteries must have died in it. That sucks. Let me see. What a freaking crappy toy. Okay, well, pause the video. It's actually a little squishy piece of shing. Just gotta throw Lily under the bus. She dared me to. Okay, this, I think the batteries died when it was in the mail or something stupid. Or froze over batteries. I don't even know. But it's not working. Work! Well, that's... They literally put all the screws on this thing to hold the piece of poop. That, it does nothing currently. Well, pause the video. For some reason it works now. I just unscrewed it and watch. It just drives so cool. It's a piece of crap. No, listen. Now let's have a cookie. Want a cookie? I get the big one. What the heck? This thing's weird. You wanna play with it? You're gonna drive it off the cliff. Okay. Now it's little Allie's turn. Okay,
Now
this
it's
is
little
this
Allie's
is the turn.
turn.
And then where that is, it goes forward. Why does it say race with these? These things are going that quickly. They're so bullcrap. Now the cookie god! Holy crap, this thing is huge. humongous. They're a good cookie. You know what? I mean, no, okay. I followed the M&M recipe. And you know what? They turned out to be awful good. And yeah, I've been saying very interesting things. And I think that's because I mixed the baking soda up with some... by the way, the M&Ms make it taste better. Clearly. Because of the good chocolate. And then this piece of crap. It's quiet though. I don't know about that. It's like this. That's quiet. This thing is cool. A big old deuce. Jeez. A big old deuce.
No, you could this and that means, and you could this and that means, yes. That means
cool.
Would be God and Christ, and that's why.
No? Yeah, I'm not putting that on my cookie. It's a piece of...
Poop.
It's a piece of... Not that good. Where's the part afterward? Listen. 2 farts, okay? Wanna play around with it? Just don't drive it off the edge.
You keep on skipping me.
A few moments later.
Nothing.
I can drive anywhere.
Now my turn.
Not just you can drive anywhere. You can drive on sofas, you can drive on your hands.
Yeah, he has an RC.
And they can drive on your feet if they're you way down.
It's a really weird one. It like flips around and stuff.
Yeah.
This thing is cool.
It's like this.
What would you rate this thing?
I don't like it. 8 out of 10.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
I give it 10 out of 10.
I definitely give this a 10 out of 10.
I give it 10 out of 10.
Yep.
10 out of 10.
Man, you're wild today, Daniel. And then the cookie, 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
This
It's
thing
like you
is
guys
actually...
are copying Jonathan on
No,
the
I'm
rate.
not. It's just backward.
But you don't know how to rate.
Right now, I do.
What's any ratings besides 8 out of 10?
3 out of 10.
She has learned. Well, I hope you did not die watching this very boring video. What a poor death. And please like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
I honestly think this
Bye,
is
bye, bye,
a severely
bye,
boring
bye,
video.
bye, 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 bye,
What have you been into? I don't know. Bye.
Oh, I see.
Finally. That's a good deuce. What a fine piece. Ah, what kind of pizza is that?